Hello everyone! Today I'm getting out of the city and heading to Minoh Falls. No big plans, just a simple, chill day. To get here, just take a train to Minoh Kayano Station and hop on the bus to Nyoidani Jutakuma. Just a fair warning, it's going to be about an hour of uphill hiking to Minoh Falls. And if you're planning to go to Katsuoji Temple afterwards, it's another hour of uphill hiking. So I suggest visiting Katsuoji Temple first for an easier downhill hike to the falls. This trail is honestly so peaceful. You got the river running next to you, birds somewhere up in the trees, and every so often a breeze comes through. It's one of those places where your shoulders naturally drop and you can finally breathe properly. Still hoping not to run into any wild monkeys, but we'll see. And we made it! Minoh Falls. It's honestly really pretty in person. The sound of the water is just calming. You could sit here and zone out for a while and it'd feel like 5 minutes. I think I'm just gonna chill here for a bit. If you're ever in Osaka and want a simple little nature escape, Minoh Falls is perfect. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!